Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today I want to show you how to prepare a very commonly available Chinese dim sum called Liu Sha Bao or Chinese salted egg custard bao. The filling is not solid, it is more like molten custard. Sweet, slightly salty due to the use of salted egg yolk. Sound interesting? Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. Let's take a look how to prepare the custard filling. First, crack 2 salted eggs into a bowl. Then separate the yolk from the egg white. Steam the salted egg yolk for about 6 minutes or until it is cooked. After a few minutes, the yolk is cooked, the color has changed. Remove and set aside. Mash the salted egg yolk by using the knife. It is important to mash it finely so that you don't need to put it through the sieve. And also mash the normal chicken egg yolk too. Put the softened butter in the mixing bowl. Then add the icing sugar, custard powder, and milk powder. Then mix well. Then add the mashed salted egg and the normal egg. Again, mix well. Okay, this is the filling for the bao. But now it's next to impossible to use it as the fillings because it is too soft. So I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for half an hour. After 30 minutes, I took it out from the refrigerator and now the filling has firmed up like this, and I'm going to divide it into equal portion of 15 to 18 grams each. Now we move on to prepare the dough. Put the required amount of water in the mixing bowl. Sprinkle the yeast into it. Give it a mix. And add the icing sugar. Give it a mix too. Leave it for a few minutes. Add the baking powder and the flour. Then combine all the ingredients. Once it is nearly combined, use a clean hand, remove it and put it onto a working surface. Then knead the dough with your 2 hands until it becomes soft and shiny. Roll out the dough and divide it into equal portion, about 30 to 35 grams each. Cover it with damp cloth to prevent it from drying. Now let's move on to wrap the bao. Get a portion of the dough, roll it out and fold it, and do that for 2 to 3 times. Then put it aside, let it relax for a while. Next, roll it to a circle with the center slightly thicker and place a portion of the filling at the center and wrap it up. Slowly use the thumb to squeeze and the other hand to turn it, and then remove the excess. And place it on a piece of baking paper. Let it rest for 15 minutes before steaming. After 15 minutes, the bun is now slightly expanded and soft. Steam for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes of steaming, let's take a look. That's the Chinese custard bao, Liu Sa Bao. Let me tear it apart. Let's take a look of the lava-like fillings. It is slightly flowing, and that's why we also call it flowing golden sand bao. This is how I prepare the Chinese salted egg custard bun Liu Sha Bao, which is commonly available in most of the dim sum restaurants. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. And I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.